Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find cars by body type in the OpenLane.eu application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app, and once you are inside the app, this is where you should be, basically the home page. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see here that you can browse basically by the body type. Basically you can browse vehicles or cars by body type. You can see here that it can be like saloon, estate, hatchback, compact, cabriolet, coupe, and basically a lot of others. And by just pressing one of these, for example the compact one, if you press on it, you will see here, if you scroll down a little bit, all the cars that are available in this category. It shows basically the country, and basically other details that you can see if you click on the view details. And you can see here basically the car profile, the equipment, and the damage, and you can basically carefully inspect everything about the car before buying it, such as the mileage, for example, the fuel type, and so on and so forth. And basically this is how you do it. Check all these details about the car, and if you think that this is the car for you, you can basically try to buy it if it's possible. Like depends if it is an auction, or you can just buy it instantly, but basically the details will explain to you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.